Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video, I am so excited because it has been such a hot minute since we've done this, but we are doing Battle of the Boxes. We are battling my Boxycharm PR box versus my Ipsy PR box right here. So you guys want to see who wins this month's Battle of the Boxes, what my thoughts are on each box, and what's inside? Well, then definitely keep watching. So excited. It has been such a hot minute since I've done Battle of the Boxes. For some reason, my boxes have been coming so sporadically. Ipsy's been delivering theirs on time, although my last month's box, like my paid for one from Ipsy, is lost. Said it was delivered, never was, but it is what it is. It was only a $13 bag. And then if you guys saw, Boxycharm didn't deliver me last month's box. Like, it got messed up where it just got lost in the mail. I let them know. They were so sweet and kind and automatically sent me a brand new one, which I did put into my next giveaway. So now we are here. We're doing Battle of the Boxes. Both of these are sent to me in PR, and I know they're like rival companies, but they're really not because they're owned by the same company now. So there's no rival between the two. It's just fun for me to see which one is a better box. Now when it comes to Ipsy, I do get the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So you're gonna see both those in here. We're not gonna count the Ipsy Glam Bag because that's a $13 bag with 5 deluxe size samples. Then we do have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is like $27.99, and now you get 5 full-size items. We get to pick 3 out of the 5 items that are in your box, which I think is a really good deal. A little steep on the price point, but it is a good deal in terms of picking out what you want. And then you do have Boxycharm. I believe this retails for, I think, $27.99 too. Oh, I think this retails for $27.99 too. I honestly don't know at this point. They keep jacking the prices, but you get 5 full-size items. The retail value of $125 plus. Spending $30 per box with like taxes and everything like that. So I'm here today to unbox both to figure out which one's the best one for you. So let's go ahead and dive right on into my Ipsy so we can see what we got in there. Alrighty, everything's just kind of thrown in the box, so it's kind of like hard to know what comes to what box because everything's just kind of thrown in here. Like, this is like empty. Oh no. Okay, so here we do have the Ipsy bag this month. I do think it's a really pretty color. I think it's like a really beautiful like iridescent makeup bag, but I will say this feels extremely cheap, like really cheap, which is normally a little odd for them because when it comes to the Ipsy Glam Bag, I generally do love the makeup bags that they provide, but today I love the color, but it just feels so cheap. So we're gonna try to guess to see what was in here because everything has fallen out. So we're just gonna guess. If I'm wrong, I do apologize. I'm not giving any information in terms of this brand because they never really tell me anything. So I just kind of have to guess. So the first thing I'm assuming definitely was in this bag was the Gold Fatten MD. This is the Solution Bright Eyes. This is the Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. I have definitely heard of this brand specifically because I've only seen it inside Boxycharm and Ipsy. So we do have a little dark eye under cream right here. Next we have something from Sophia and Mabel. I Woke Up Like This. This is a skin perfecting primer. I think I've only ever heard of this brand because of Ipsy as well. So we have a noodle skin primer right there. Then we have something from Lottie London. I don't know if this is the full size or not, but this is a power foil metallic eyeshadow. This is going to be in the shade Golden Hour. Ooh, let's take a look at this. You have got to be kidding me. I should not have opened that. Do you guys see that right there? Everything else fell out on my desk. Yay! So there is that eyeshadow topper. Completely on my desk for the most part. So here's that Lottie London golden eyeshadow topper. I'm going to leave this right here. I'm going to show you guys on my iPhone. I'm going to show you guys on my camera what I'm looking at right now. But as you guys can see, this entire thing had fallen off and it's now on my desk. So there is that. I should not have opened that. No. Okay, next we have something from Basic Beauty. This is a lipstick. It's in the shade Fall For You, and it's gonna look like so. Wow, that is a gorgeous color. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous color right there. Very beautiful. So I think that's everything we got like on our Ipsy Glam Bag. I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's something else in here that I don't know what was supposed to be in there. Maybe it's this brand's mascara. I don't know, but this is the Kelly's. This is this brand. I don't know what it's called. This brand, and it is a mascara with avocado oil. So this is how it's going to look. I don't know if it's supposed to be in a Glam Bag. I'm not entirely sure. Everything had fallen out, so it's really hard to determine. But I will say I do like the wand size of that right there. So that is the Glam Bag. I think, I'm not entirely sure. Like I said, I'm never giving any information. Everything is just kind of thrown together in this box. At least when it comes to Boxycharm, Boxycharm gives me a list of information of what to expect. Ipsy does not. I really wish they would. And I know you guys tell me all the time, oh, just get like the Ipsy app. It'll tell you on your app. Guys, this is in PR. This is a completely different situation. I don't have an app in terms of like an Ipsy thing for PR. Like it just gets sent whenever it gets sent. So now we're going to move on to the Glam Bag Plus, I think. So the first thing we have is this bag right here. It says, you got this. This is my little Santa ho 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 sack. I think these definitely come in handy in terms of sending out gifts to you guys because I put like all the little samples in here, or I put skincare in here, or I just put smaller makeup items in here. And I like close the bag up and I send it in a box for you guys. So these actually do come in handy, which I really do appreciate. But the first thing we see is something from Full Ritual. This is a magnetic balm. So it's a balm. Interesting. I don't really know what else it's supposed to be besides a magnetic balm. I'm not going to open this because I know I'm not going to use this. So I'm definitely going to put this into a giveaway. But we do have a Full Ritual magnetic balm. We also have a brush set. This is from YC Collection. So we do have a brush set right here. Comes with 3 brushes. Followed by Hims. This is the Sweet Pineapple Honey Melon. This is the Herbal Body Butter. Well, I actually have heard of this brand before, and it's actually not a bad skincare brand right here. This might have been in the Glam Bag. I'm not entirely sure, but we do have a little hand lotion. We also got the Gloss Modernine. This is the Clean Luxury Hair Mask right here. And then last but not least, we do have Clarity. This is Brighten It. This is 10% lactic acid solution. Gently exfoliate and brighten skin from Clarity right here. So that is everything I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And I'm just going to straight up say this bag and this box, this sucked. This guy stinks. This is a shitty ass box. Like there is no makeup besides one mascara and one eyeshadow topper that literally fell all over my desk, which by the way, is not Ipsy's fault. That's not their fault at all. So I can't blame them for that. But literally that's it. That's all there was makeup wise. Everything else was skincare, makeup tools, or body lotion. If I paid $27.99 for this box, I'd be fucking livid.
I'm so freaking pissed.
I'm sorry, but that is a really shitty box. I'd be so livid. I could definitely see the difference. Like even though they're both owned by the same company, I could definitely see the difference between how they care for each box. Ipsy just throws their stuff in here. At least with Boxycharm, they kind of pack it tightly. They give you more information. So I really do appreciate that about Boxycharm. I just think Ipsy just really dropped the ball on this month. Honestly, I did cancel my Ipsy subscription after they lost my box last month. So the only time I would consider getting Ipsy now is for the Ipsy X. I think that's absolutely worth it. You pay $60. You do get 8 full-size products with really good name brands in there from celebrities or influencers that curate the box for you. That's actually a really great box. This is a joke. I'm sorry. I know I'm gonna sound negative and ungrateful because people get so mad when I say anything negative about the box because I get it for free because PR. Guys, my job is to do a review and my job is to be honest with you guys. And if I paid for this box, I'd be mad because it's a shitty box and it speaks for itself and I don't feel bad saying that. So that's what I got in this month's Ipsy. So now we're gonna go ahead and dive into Boxycharm. Like literally my desk is covered in that freaking glitter. Alrighty, so this month is called Strut Your Runway with Boxycharm right there. So the first item that I see is from Glow On Fifth Beauty. This is Bye Bye Puffy Eyes. This is a cooling eye balm. So this is Glow On Fifth's best-selling formula is now available in a convenient full-size travel tube infused with caffeine, shea butter, and berry extract. Swipe this eye balm on for instant refresher and major wake-up call. It's formulated for all skin types and it leaves your under eye feeling feeling hydrated, glowing, and cool, and it helps reduce the appearance of bags and dark circles, and it retails for $24. And the reason why I smile at this is because typically I do get a lot of eye creams in my Boxycharm and Ipsy, but you know what? I laugh at this point, but it's kind of different because like an eye balm, so it's not like it's an eye cream. But yeah, that's our first skincare product with Boxycharm. Next, I see something from Too Faced, which is so funny because I'm wearing Too Faced all over my face right now. We have Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So this is the mascara. So this is the Better Than Sex mascara. It says a mascara is so amazing, it's better than sex. Sure. This award-winning formula creates lashes that are full, defined, and stretched to unbelievable lengths for the most intense black, oversized, multi-dimensional lashes. It retails for $28. I definitely have played around with this mascara numerous times. The only issue that I have with it is that the wand itself is so big. I like a really thin wand because I like my lashes kind of like separated and whatnot. It's a really big, chunky wand, but it does get the job done. I definitely will say that. And it's not a bad mascara at all. I actually have taken old mascara wands and replaced the big chunky one in here with the ones, and they tend to work really perfectly. So we do have the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Next, we have something from Sept London. This is the Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow. So this is a glow in a tube. It gives cheeks a soft champagne shine and a glass-like dewy finish thanks to the plumping hyaluronic acid and yuzu extracts, brightening vitamin C, and dragon fruit extract, and nourishing vitamin E. Retails for $24. I definitely have seen this product quite a few times. I typically don't play around with stuff like this. I'm not the biggest fan of like dewy cheek lip. I'm not a big fan of these type of products. They just tend to not really work well for me. This is something I could definitely pass along to you guys. Next, we have something from Tint. I don't know if I'm saying that right. So it says Tint Fathom Liner, a color-rich formula that glides onto the skin with ease and strong color payoff. This liner allows you to create eye looks from subtle to strong for the perfect wing. It retails for $18. Now, I don't do very well with liners like this just because of my eye shape. I don't do well with liquid liners, but I definitely will go ahead and pass this along to you guys. I do love how this looks. I think this will be how the liner is. Yeah, oh, that's a really, really nice precision. Wow, I don't think I've seen one this tiny before.
That's what she said.
Michael, please.
That's actually really nice. I just wish I could make it work in my favor. I'm jealous. All right, and last but not least, we do have something from Ofra Cosmetics. If you guys don't know, I do love Ofra Cosmetics so much. I do have a code with them. You guys can use code Allie to shop at Ofra Cosmetics, and will take 20% off your entire purchase over at Ofra. So we do have the Ofra Cosmetics. This is the signature palette in the shade Symphony. So it says that this retails for $32. I believe I have this palette because I think I've got it. Yes, I actually do have this palette. So I actually will go ahead and pass this along. If you guys did not know, I recently went down to Ofra Cosmetics to be there for the launch of my palette, which was so much fun. And they allowed us to go on a shopping spree. And I actually picked up this palette for myself because it is a very, very beautiful palette. So I'm so excited to pass this along to you guys because it is such a stunning, stunning palette. So in this box, we got 4 makeup items and 1 skincare item. And I have to say, this box by far kicks Ipsy's ass. Like, this is what a good box is supposed to be. Like, this is what the box is supposed to be like. We got 4 makeup items and 1 skincare item, and I think the best part, I know 4 out of the 5 brands that are in here. Like, that is fantastic. Boxycharm has been upping their prices so much in the last 2 years, and they're always saying that they're going to make the boxes full of name brands that we all know and love, and I think they definitely delivered this month in terms of that. I think this is definitely a fantastic box. I think they did so good. Ipsy, I don't know what happened. That is not a good box. So I think we can clearly, safely say that this month's Battle of the Box winner is going to be my Boxycharm box right here. This definitely takes the cake. They definitely made it a box full of fun makeup products and products that we all know and love. And if I paid for this box, I would actually be very happy with this box. So Boxycharm, congratulations on winning this month's box. You guys actually did a fantastic job. But yeah, guys, that is my battle of the boxes. Sorry there wasn't too much more to go into it. Ipsy just didn't really give me anything to work with. So Yeah, hopefully they'll be better next month, but we shall see. So that is it for today's video. I hope everybody had a happy and safe Labor Day weekend. I know that I did, and it's so good to be back to filming. You guys know how much I love this. So anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, R for the Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? And I think you do have to pay for shipping, handling, or like taxes. So you're spending like $30. You're spending $30 each for your... I can't believe that fell all over my desk. You have got to be kidding me. I am very grateful. It's not the word, doesn't work. Doesn't work. I just talk straight. Ipsy, you were a joke this month.